Let me share my super easy air fryer chocolate chip cookies recipe. They come out so good, I make them almost every week now. Take a mixing bowl and add half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of white sugar, and half a cup of melted unsalted butter. Then, crack in 1 egg and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give everything a good mix until it looks smooth and well combined. Then, take a sieve and add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Sifting helps break up any little lumps and makes it easier to mix the dry ingredients into the dough. Once the flour is in, use a spatula to mix everything together until you end up with a soft cookie dough, as you see in the video here. Next, I got 1 block of semi-sweet baking chocolate, but chocolate chips or regular milk chocolate will also work great here. Chop the chocolate into small pieces, then add it to the cookie dough. Give the dough one last quick mix with a spatula just until the chocolate pieces are spread through. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper or an air fryer liner. Then use a cookie scoop to scoop the dough onto the liner. Try to keep the scoops about the same size and leave some space between them because the cookies will spread as they bake. You can keep the rest of the dough in the fridge for later, so when you want fresh cookies again, you already have the dough ready. Bake the cookies in the air fryer for about 7 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or about 160 degrees Celsius. They are ready when the edges look lightly golden and the tops look set, but the center's still a bit soft. These air fryer cookies are crisp around the edges and soft in the middle. They taste buttery and sweet with little melted bits of chocolate in each bite. If you like baking cookies in your air fryer, then also check out this super yummy air fryer peanut butter cookies recipe here too. Check it out now!